Hi Mark, this is Kelly Carwile, owner of Larimar Digital Marketing. As promised, here's your custom video going through the top things that you can do to increase your online presence and bring in more clients. So today we're going to go through website content, the importance of keywords and backlinks, and then finally how getting to that top spot will directly impact your sales. So the first thing I want to go over is content. You have a beautiful site. It's really easy to navigate, and it loads very quickly for me. You could use a little bit more content. Google likes to see at least 1,500 words on that home page to be optimized or viewed as highly relevant in a keyword search. So when I talk about content, I mean all of the words on your front page to include the pictures and what's behind these pictures here. A keyword search is just that search term that's used by a potential client that's searching for your service. You're going to need to have enough unique and authoritative content to add in keywords that are needed to bring your site to the top of the search results. So over here, your competition. These guys are your top online local competitor. They have more content on their homepage. So to beat your competition, you're going to need to begin with more content that is strategically mixed with just the right keywords. So over here, I have done a Google search for gutter installation Tampa. At the top of the page, we always see ads that are related to the search if we don't have an ad blocker on. And the next thing that we see down here is what we call the map pack. You're going to want to get yourself here in the top 3 because as you can see, it's one of the first areas that's shown in that search result. And you can get to the top of the map pack by filling out your Google business profile completely and then including your business in as many relevant directories as you can. Google's going to give you more score authority to referring sites that are relevant to your business. And these are just going to help you rank higher in the maps. So you want to ensure that you're listed in the same directories as your competition and then add even more to completely dominate in this area. So in the organic search here, we see that Gutter Doctor Inc. Is showing close to the top of that first page. They're the first local business in the list here. So let's take a quick peek at why your competition is outranking you. Ahrefs is a tool that I use daily in my work to look at site metrics. It's really useful in doing our SEO analysis. And it's available to anybody with a monthly subscription. So right now your Google trustworthiness score is a 22 and your power score is a 13. If we look at your competition over here, they're also a 22. Their power score is slightly higher at 22 as well. So by working on your backlinks and then your content, this score over here is going to improve over time. We see on your website that you have 63 referring domains that are giving you 817 backlinks. Backlinks are just that. It's just a website that's sending a link back to your site. So it's important to note here that it's really about the quality of the backlink and less so about the quantity of the backlink. Not all links are created equal. So that link that you obtain is far more effective when you have an industry relevant site linking back to you. So for example, having a remodeling or a roofing company that is linking your site on their page, it would be far more powerful than a local restaurant doing the same thing. So you see here your competition has 57 referring domains giving them 641 backlinks, driving this traffic to their site. Now remember what I said about quality versus quantity. So you look over here at you have more backlinks, but they're outranking you currently because of the quality of those backlinks. So using this tool, we can also look at your competition's keywords and what are working well for them and what is relevant to you, and then go after those same keywords in your own website. So over here, you'll recall that we did a search for Gutters Tampa. And right now, 250 people every month are searching for Gutters Tampa. And currently, your competition is seeing 30 of those. So let's assume now that you're going to be generating the same traffic as your competition in that #1 spot. So you're seeing 30 people coming to your site or calling because you're in that top position. Let's say that you close 50% of these calls, which is pretty typical in this industry. So they're probably closing right around 15 jobs per month just from their online presence alone. And also keep in mind that this is just gutter install jobs specifically in Tampa. All other services that you provide and rank for will just add to this number. So 15 jobs more per month. I'm not sure what your margins are, but I do imagine that this would generate some pretty decent revenue for you. So this is what I do for a living, and I absolutely love it. I created this video to help you start generating your own leads online by utilizing these tips that I've shown you today. Would it be too much to ask for just a little bit of feedback on the video? Even just one line is very helpful. I'm always looking for ways to improve and add more value to the small businesses that I work with every day. I would also love to see your site in that top position. I look forward to your feedback. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.